we, the delegation of All India Muslim Personnel Law Board, on behalf of all members of Muslim Personnel Law Boards and on behalf of Muslim community in Tamil Nadu and on behalf of whole Muslim community in India, we met the Honorable CM of Tamil Nadu, Brother Stalin. We sought the support of Tamil Nadu government, particularly the DMK Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Brother Honorable Stalin. The committee thanked the DMK President and Honorable Chief Minister for opposing the Waqf Board Amendment Bill introduced by the BJP government in recently concluded Lok Sabha session, which resulted the bill being sent for scrutiny by the Joint Parliamentary Committee. The delegation requested DMK President Honorable Stalin and DMK members who supported us in the Parliament, and also we are very much thankful for the Tamil Nadu CM as well for supporting us by sending a letter regarding the Uniform Civil Code, and he strongly opposed the Uniform Civil Code proposal. We Muslim Personnel Law Board members are trying to organize a meeting in different states of the country and trying to meet all members of Joint Parliamentary Committee, and we will raise the issue, we will raise our viewpoint, and we will try to convince them not to support this bill and the recommendation of the bill. Our demand is to withdraw fully this bill from the Parliament.